best Lenovo tablets of 2024. Apple is nearly in dominance of the tablet market with its iPad lineup, but other brands, including Samsung and Lenovo, are also manufacturing a variety of affordable tablets. Lenovo, being one of the top tech manufacturing brands and having a consistent market presence, offers many great tablet options, making it tough to select the right one. There are compact tablets built for streaming videos and powerful devices that can outperform many laptops. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best Lenovo tablets that will help you select the option that suits your needs. Lenovo Tab P12. The Lenovo Tab P12 is overall the best Lenovo tablet available in the market. It offers a 12.7-inch screen display, a 13-megapixel camera, and above-average processing power, and 256 GB of storage. Lenovo Tab Extreme. Lenovo Tab Extreme is one of the largest tablets in the Lenovo lineup. It features a 14.5-inch OLED display, 4K camera, 3000 into 1876 resolution, and 12 GB of RAM. It also supports a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor that handles most of the apps with ease. Its battery can run up to 15 hours before needing a recharge. It's available for $1,100 at Lenovo stores. Nuke 9-inch Lenovo tablet. It's a 9-inch Lenovo tablet from Nuke that provides book enthusiasts with a convenient way to access most of their content all in one device. However, there's also an option to directly purchase Nuke books and audiobooks, which can be enjoyed using the built-in speakers and 3.5mm headphone jack. It's overall a highly affordable option available for $150 at the Barnes & Noble store.